Alma of the Airwaves, Lucky of the Orange Coat. On the 11th of October, 2022, it is a Tuesday. It's a beautiful, sunshining day, 20 degrees. This fall, this autumn has been so generous. I mean, that's bonus after bonus every single day. So, the video from the morning is spectacular. Please enjoy fresh, brand new, uh, 4 minutes from the morning, like being the major movie star. I met a friend who said that he is shrinking. Not only is he losing weight, but he said, oh, he now looks, but he has energy. He is running more, he's eating well, he's sleeping. So one of these days, I'm just going to bring him to our clinic and we'll just going to put him on the scale just to see how he's doing. So he's the movie star, our dream. You can see, of course, and enjoy the day. I'm working all morning actually in Zoom in court, then over the phone. So all I have to say is there a little recommendation for Netflix. My best friend Ali recommended Luckiest Girl Alive for everybody who is a fan of Mila Kunis. My goodness, what a treat. 2022. Filmed in Toronto. Okay, although it's all in New York, like the whole action is in New York City, so much has been filmed in Toronto. It was fabulous. You can recognize downtown, the pictures that we have, Bay Street, Front Street. It's been done. I actually Googled because I saw all these buildings. And it's true, a big part of the movie has been filmed in Toronto. Have a beautiful day. We'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday.